Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. In today's video I want to share with you some of the gifts that I received for my birthday. It was on the 6th of July, so last week, and I'm finally filming this video today. I'm super excited, and so without any further ado, let's begin. The first item that I want to share with you is right here. This is a piece that I got in Paris, and you know, this wasn't actually a birthday gift or anything. I just bought it there, and I have decided to include it into this unboxing video as well because I bought it right before my birthday, so why not consider it as a birthday gift. So this is a denim jacket from Loewe, and it's from the new collection, and I'm so obsessed. So as you may know, I have a very similar denim shirt in white color from Loewe as well. It has a slightly different pocket. Well, I mean, it's the same pocket, but it looks slightly different, and it's all white, and I love the shirt so much. I don't really wear it as a shirt. I wear it as a denim jacket, like layering with t-shirts and dresses, and it is just so beautiful. I love it so much, and so I wanted another jacket in blue color. I love denim jackets so much, and so I saw this one and have decided to go for it. It has a slightly lighter shade of blue here at the back and then darker blue in the front. And also what's interesting is that it is longer at the back, as you can see, and shorter in the front. It is oversized like all of Loewe's jackets. It also has a lot of pockets, which I love. So one pocket is the main one, the focus point of this jacket that says Loewe in leather in caramel color, with Loewe logo as well. And it has one pocket here and the third pocket on this side. And it's pretty lightweight, and I love it so much. It also has these ties on both sides. I'm not sure if you should actually tie it because they're pretty short. I tried, but first of all, it didn't look that nice, and second of all, they were too short to make like a cute little bow out of them. So I have decided to just leave them hanging like this. So this jacket is in size, it's in size 36, and it is very oversized because, you know, I put on some weight with my pregnancy, and still, you see, this jacket fits me well. I also tried on a size 38, but it didn't look as good as this one. You could really tell that it's too big on me with the sleeves and everything, but with this one, can you see, the sleeves are of a perfect length, and yeah, this is what it looks like on. It's so cool. It's, you know, the perfect piece that you can wear in summer on chillier days, maybe in the evenings, but also you can layer it in fall and springtime, maybe with sweaters, with t-shirts, shirts, dresses like this one. It's a very versatile piece that I'm sure I will get so much wear off. Now let's move on to the next item, and it's over here. If you watched the unboxing of this item, I filmed it separately, then you know what it is. But if you're new or if you've missed that video, I have decided to include it here as well because that video was just, you know, simply dedicated to this bag, but I got it for my birthday, so I had to include it in this video as well. I already, you know, unwrapped the ribbon and everything, but I put it back inside, so it feels like a true unboxing. And here is the bag. As you can see, it has this white dust bag, which means one thing only: it's a classic flop, and it is a perfection. This is such a gorgeous bag. So this is the Chanel Classic Flop in black color, caviar leather with gold hardware. It's as classic as you can go. I wanted the beige one. Everybody knows that it wasn't available in Paris the time we were there, but I still managed to find this one in black color which I also wanted, from Rue Cambon in Paris. And you know, this is the only place you can get the white bag and the white box. It's my very first white box, it's my very first classic flap, and it just feels so special. This was a gift from my parents. I'm so grateful, and I absolutely love this bag. I haven't really worn it yet because I didn't have the chance, but we're going out to dinner tomorrow, and I think I will carry this baby because it deserves some light. We have the Mona Lisa pocket at the back, the shoulder strap. I still have all the stickers, I haven't removed them yet. This is what it looks like inside. We have the secret pocket here. Then we can open the main compartment. It's all burgundy, the interior is all burgundy, such a classic. I have some wrapping paper inside. We've got one more pocket over here, and then this is what the bag looks like inside. It is so stunning. It does not come with authenticity card anymore, it doesn't have a sticker inside, but instead it has a chip over here, and I will include some mod shots for you to see. But this bag was a dream of mine, and I am so obsessed. I couldn't be happier. I'm gonna say it here, but yesterday I got something else, and I feel like now my bag collection is really complete for the moment. I don't need anything else, and I'm thinking of filming 2 videos. So one Chanel handbag collection, because I've accumulated quite a few Chanel bags, and I thought I would do a comparison between them and rank them from most used to least used and so on. And also I think since I am very happy with my bag collection now and I'm not planning to add any more bags to it, I think I should film an entire handbag collection video, an updated video, because I haven't done that in a while. So I thought it would be interesting for you to see as well how much my collection has grown, what I sold, what I've decided to keep in the end, some new additions. So let me know if this is something you'd be interested in watching in the comments below. But yes, this is the next piece that I got. Let's move on to the other item. The next item that I got is right here in this Hermes bag, and it's a pair of shoes. Here they are, and these shoes were on my wish list. If you watched that video, you know what I'm talking about, but on my birthday, I managed to score these babies. I was honestly the happiest. So I messaged my SA on my birthday. I've decided to, you know, test my luck that day. I was like, well, maybe I should just text him, whatever, because before I usually wouldn't. I would wait for them to give me a call once they have something for me that's on my wish list, but it's been such a long time, nobody ever contacted me. But I have decided to send a message to my SA myself, ask him, and he said, well, we only have 1 pair in your size. He sent me a picture, and it was exactly what I wanted. So here we are. I made the payment online on their website. I could do that, and then I picked them up a day later because we weren't in Geneva on my birthday. And the 2 dust bags. The shoes are so freaking cool. So let me prepare everything and I will show them to you. So the shoes that I got are, ta-da! I finally found these Cypress sandals. How should I show them to you? Okay, like this maybe. So I got the Cypress sandals, sheep they called in French, and they are in this beautiful new color. It's called electric green, which to me looks like bamboo green. I don't know. I don't know why. It's not a neon green color, if you know what I mean, but it's this very beautiful, rich green color, vibrant but muted at the same time. It's not too loud, it's not too in your face, but it's something more natural, I would say. Such a beautiful color. They're in sweat leather. This is what they look like. They have a small Hermes logo over here. This is the front part. I got them in size 38. They do run a little bit small. My usual size is 37.5. With my swelling, it's a little bit bigger, and these shoes were perfect in 38. They do come in half sizes, however, you have to order them. Geneva store never orders shoes. I don't know why. I asked, they said it's not possible. Maybe yours can if you have half sizes, but also I felt like half size maybe would have been a bit too wide on my feet. I don't know. This one's fit perfectly, you know. I tried them on and they were perfect, so I went for them. These shoes are, I don't even know how to explain it to you, but I wanted them for a year ever since I saw them for the first time last summer, but they were never available. Like in winter, I didn't really care. By the end of winter, probably in March, I went to Hermes. I knew I wanted the sandals so bad. I asked for them and they were already sold out everywhere, and I couldn't find them for many months. And on my birthday, I just got so lucky. The price was 650 Swiss francs. I honestly thought these shoes were more expensive for some reason, because if you take a look at Chanel sandals, they retail for 1,500. If you take a look at Louis Vuitton sandals, those ones I bought for around 950, and they're not even leather, you know, they're in this nylon material. So having these Hermes ones, I know they're not exactly that sandals, but I mean, we have the front part, we have this part should be at the back, and they're exactly the same sandals as the LV and Chanel ones, but the price is so much better. I also thought they were more expensive because when you go on websites like Vestiaire Collective, they go for 1,200, 1,300, 1,400. I think the least expensive ones went for around 1,000, and they were used. They weren't even new. Just because of the hype, because how popular they are, people charge crazy money for the shoes. But I'm just so happy I could find them in store for their original price. By the way, I wanted to add that I actually have quite a lot of bag options to wear with the shoes. For example, this one, it's from Louis Vuitton. I forgot the name of the collection, to be honest. One day I knew all of them, and now I cannot even remember my own handbag. But it's never full in Here's the bag, and the green matches perfectly with the shoes, and also my white nail polish with the green shoes. And here we've got the green bag with white logos. Matchy. And now let me show you the very last piece, and it is so special. It's from Graff, and this is my very first jewelry piece from this brand. We have it in Geneva, and it's right next door to Van Cleef & Arpels, and I love Van Cleef so much, you know that. But looking at Graff, they just have on the window, if you look at the store, it has such big diamonds that I was always so scared to go inside. You know the feeling, right? When you're too scared to walk into a store because you don't know what to expect because it's just too much luxury. And so when I got this present from my husband, I was blown away, you know. I was caught off guard. I was so surprised, so excited at the same time. It's let me show it to you. I already wore this item so much. I wear it every day ever since I got it, but for this video I wrapped it up again. So inside we also have the certificate of authenticity over here. Everything is So luxurious. It's like black with gold writing. And here we have the receipt. Here's the box. I've never seen anything really from Graff. I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what their packaging was, so everything was so exciting to me. And actually when he just gave it to me, I looked at it, I was like, oh my god, this is so pretty. Can I open it and you will film it for an Instagram or something? He's like, yeah, sure. So I filmed a reel as well featuring this item, but here it is. Here is the box, and inside we've got another box. It doesn't have anything, no writing, but this is what it looks like. It's this leather case, and it has this gold detail all around it with a little clip over here. And when we open, it has Graff over here. It has this little cushion, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. Like every time I look at this piece, my heart drops. So my husband got me this beautiful earrings. How stunning are they? So let's take a closer look. Here they are, and I am obsessed. The earrings are so beautiful. They are so special. Since I know nothing, absolutely nothing about Graff, when he gave it to me, I asked him a little bit about it, and what he told me was that this collection is called Kiss. They also have the matching necklace, matching ring, and also the bracelet. So next on my wish list is the necklace. I really want one. I don't have a lot of white jewelry. For this video, I've decided to wear my Roberto coin earrings. They're also in white gold with diamonds. This was the only pair that I had in white gold. Everything else is in yellow gold. So I'm just so excited to have these new earrings in my collection. But another thing is that I don't have any bracelets, any rings, except for my wedding band and my engagement ring in white gold. I don't have any necklaces in white gold. Everything is in yellow gold. So definitely next item on my wish list is either a ring from this collection or a necklace, and I'm gonna put them on and I'll show you what they look like on me. They just complement my face so well. They look so nice on. I never want to take them off, but since it's Graff, I'm like, I'm not taking a shower in them, I'm not sleeping in them. So I put them on every morning and then I take them off every evening. I believe he had to order them because they weren't available in store. It took a while to receive them, and you know, while I waited, he was like, no, but it's not here yet, your present. And while I waited, I was like, well, there is a bag that I like, there is this that I like, maybe I should get that instead, because I didn't know what it was. And I'm just so happy. I was like, no, I want to get the present that you ordered for me. I'm gonna wait. So I'm so happy I did, because it's honestly the best gift ever. Can you see? I think they look fabulous on. I'm gonna come a bit closer. I think like this you can see them better. The vertical shape, it just looks so much better on my face, because my face is more rounded. I have cheeks, you know, with the weight and everything. So I definitely need earrings that are more vertical than horizontal or rounded. So this is perfect. They're nicely hugging my ears, which to me just looks so beautiful, and I just love them so much. So guys, this is everything for my video, everything that I got for my birthday. What was your favorite piece? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!